example channel. In this video, we will talk about KarunAI, the helpline workflow for social cause, which we built for ElevenLabs Worldwide Hackathon. KarunAI is a combination of two words, Karuna and AI. In many Indian languages, Karuna means compassion. With the help of KarunAI, you can perform an act of compassion which may go a long way. How? Let's understand by an example. Imagine that you are going on a busy street and you see an animal in distress in the corner. Now, most of us want to help, but we could be apprehensive about an infection, bite, or just don't know who exactly to reach out, or don't want to get too involved. What if all you have to do is to send a WhatsApp message to a kind of aggregator helpline, and from there the matter will be taken care of? But how is that possible? Let's understand KarunAI's workflow. When the user wants to report an animal rescue related issue, they will send a WhatsApp message to a helpline number. This WhatsApp number hosts an intelligent AI agent which collects all the required information like animal type, nature of injury, consent from the reporter if they can be contacted if needed. After that, it hands over this information to voiceai agent. This agent then makes outbound call to listed animal rescue agencies one by one, shares all the information collected from the reporter and asks them if they are able to send help. If the agency provides an affirmative answer, the agent emails all collected details to the rescue center, sends the positive acknowledgement to the reporter, and no further rescue agencies are contacted. If the agency is not able to dispatch the help, then the agent makes an outbound call to the next listed agencies and sends work in progress acknowledgement to the reporter. Let's look at this flow from a technical standpoint. We are using Twilio messaging service for WhatsApp communication. WhatsApp AI agent is built using ElevenLabs Agents Platform, bridged with Twilio messaging using Node.js custom code. Outbound calling agent is built using ElevenLabs Agents Platform, bridged with Twilio voice services. And this whole workflow has been tailored and orchestrated using N8N platform. We are using Google Sheets for storing the animal rescue organization contact info. This can be replaced with database for implementation. And we are using Gmail for sending the email at the end. When the user sends the WhatsApp message to KarunAI helpline number, it connects to the ElevenLabs text-based agent through the Node.js bridge. The agent greets the user and starts the conversation. It collects the information like animal type, nature of injury, consent from the reporter if they can be contacted if needed. This information will be used later by the second agent. After the WhatsApp agent has all the details, it triggers the N8N webhook. We have used the ElevenLabs webhook tool feature for this. Once the N8N webhook kicks in, it reads the animal rescue organization's phone number from Google Sheets. Then N8N triggers the ElevenLabs Twilio outbound call API, which makes an outbound call to the previously retrieved phone number. Once the call is answered, the ElevenLabs voice agent starts talking with the organization. Agent has all the context of the reported issue, which is used in the system prompt of the ElevenLabs voice agent. The agent finally gets the volunteer availability from the organization and disconnects the call. After the call is finished, ElevenLabs post-call webhook kicks in. We have implemented this webhook using N8N webhook node. In post-call analysis, we retrieve all the information as mentioned earlier. If the volunteer is available, the N8N workflow sends the email to the organization containing issue summary, reporter contact consent, and reporter's contact number, if consented yes. It also sends the acknowledgement message to the reporter, thanking them and saying help is on the way. In case if volunteer is not available, N8N fetches the next contact info record from Google Sheets and makes the outbound call to remaining organizations until volunteer is found. We also developed a basic UI for admin screen from where you can add new organizations to the database or Google Sheets. You can also look at metrics of how many total calls each org received and how many requests they handled and rejected. Now let's see KarunAI in action. Hello?
Hi, volunteer. I am KarunAI calling regarding a rescue situation. Will you able to send help to the animal in need?
What is the emergency?
We have a report of an injured small old beagle named Jimmy with a broken leg near Starbucks MG Road. The reporter is available to provide more details if needed.
Is it severe?
The dog has a broken leg and is described as small, old, and in distress. The situation requires urgent attention.
I understand. Okay, I can send someone in 30 minutes. Yeah?
Thank you for your time. We appreciate your assistance.
So this concept is not limited to the social cause and reporting using text. It can also be applied to civic, industrial, and enterprise use cases. We can incorporate image processing or OCR, geolocation so that users can report issues using the image and share the location. For example, if you see a safety hazard, you can take a picture, share the location while reporting to the city administration. Or in factories, if you see a safety hazard, you can send a picture of the broken machinery, record a voice note, and share with the maintenance department so that they can quickly decide about what kind of technicians to be sent for fixing the issues. The possibilities are limitless. So this brings us to the end of the video. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.